Good morning from the Czech Republic. Good afternoon, Philippines. So, it's another day here. It's a sunny day. Busy kami ngayon because it's Saturday. We just had the house cleaning. Finished already?
Think so.
Tapos nilinis ni Sofia yung kanyang room. I clean upstairs. Yeah, she's so tired. What time did you sleep last night?
Not sure. Maybe around 10:30.
Why?
No. It's not even that late.
Why are you tired?
I don't know.
What time did you wake up?
7.
7? Yeah, so ako naman ay nagluluto. Siya na naghugas ng mga plato. And then, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Before this vlog?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh my! You're not helping Mom and Tatay?
I helped before you were up.
Yeah.
You're still sleeping.
Yeah? Alright, okay. So,
Today we're gonna cook.
pork steak Tagalog because we don't have time. It's already 10:30. We were so busy cleaning the house, so I'm gonna cook the easiest pork steak Tagalog. So I have here marinated pork. So minarinate ko to sa soy sauce, lemon, oyster sauce, and garlic paste, and black pepper. Yeah, so ito marinated. So para madali lang, ito aking lutuin. Kasi gutom na si Sofia. Are you hungry, baby?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine?
So maybe later I will.
Okay. So, masarap to kasi marinated to eh. Ayan. Okay. Ito nagtatanim si Hana ng kurabi. Awan ko kung anong vegetables to. Nandito sila ngayon kasi magandang panahon. Habang ako'y nagluluto doon sa taas. Dito siya sa garden. At ang ating manager, si Milando, nagtatrabaho. Yun, may niluluto pa ako. Akit muna ako baka anong mangyari sa aking nuluto. Yan, maingay ngayon. Maraming nagtatrabaho ito. Doon, nagpuputol ng sanga. Dito, nagtatrabaho sa mga machine. Sila doon sa labas. So, tayo, mula na tayo rito. Dito tayo. Kasi tayo ang cook. Musta na ang aking niluluto? Ayos-ayos pa. So, may asin na to, may pepper, may ground black pepper na to. So, palalambutin natin to. So, itong gagamitin ko, yung citrus mix sa pagpapalambot niyan. Iba sa atin Sprite, di ba? Coke, ano man. Ito naman, susubukan ko ngayon. Ang citrus mix, matamis siya, pero parang may lasa siya ng mga oranges. So, tama to, mga 55 minutes. Tingnan natin. Yan. Okay. Wait a minute. So, sa mga Pinoy na naghanap ng magic sarap dito sa Czech Republic, itong gamitin nyo. Ang Czech magic sarap. Kung pa to, gawa pa sa mga sibuyas, bawang, saka kung ano-ano pa. Pero ang epekto niya sa pagkain parang magic sarap. So itong ginagamit ko dito. So minsan ko lang to nakita sa mga Pinoy dito sa Opava. So sa mga Pinoy na hindi alam to, dito sa Czech Republic, kung naghahanap kayo ng Magic syrup, itong gamitin nyo. Yun. Kunti lang muna. Dadagdagan natin mamaya pag kulang na. Palalambutin natin ng mga 40 minutes. Gutom na daw si Sofia eh. Are you hungry, Pinkay?
I mean, I'm getting hungry.
Alright, okay. Nagko-cultivate na si Milan ng lupa, oh. Kami naman ng patatas. Yan. Si Sofia naman nagsasampay. Tumutulong sa gawaing bahay. Milan, Helen, Mamingka nasa garden. So magtatanim sila ngayon ng patatas. Dahil cook si Japet ngayon, dito lang tayo sa kitchen. Bigla ang pagtanim nila niyan. Akala niya na mga next week pa or next month. Pero maganda daw ang panahon kaya okay naman daw yung seedlings ng patatas. So pwede nang itanim. Ayan sila. Ako naman alam niyo na Tagaluto si Japet dito. Yan nga, kaya umaga pagising ko, linis kagad sa taas. Pati yung stairs. Tapos luto. Si Sophia nang nadatnan ko, naglilinis ng kanyang kwarto. Ayan, pagkatapos nito magluto, baka may time pa ako mag-hover dito. Mag-vacuum dito sa mga carpet. Okay? Pang pinali. Ayun. Ang dami. Mas masarap pag marami. Yan. Okay. Tingnan natin kung hindi maglalawa si Sophia. Are you drooling now?
Yeah. So when's lunch? Ready?
But you have dumplings lunch.
No,
With
but
this.
I don't like the dumplings.
You don't like the dumplings, the chick dumplings?
No, it's because it's different type of dumplings, like potato dumplings.
Oh. Okay.
Like bread dumplings.
Okay. Another maybe 2 minutes, Pinkay. Just to cook the okay?
Okay, okay.
Waiting.
I need to finish my food, but I will try yours. This is Maminka food.
Wow, look at
The
this Mamika's
dumplings.
food. How about your food? How about you, Sissy? What's your food?
Sisi.
Okay. Pinkay, you just try this rice. I know this rice is not really good, but this is healthy rice. Wow. Then get some Bobby dumplings. That's also good. Okay, put some rice then. I know you don't like this kind of rice, but I told you this rice is healthy.
Just a bit.
I don't buy anymore this jasmine rice.
Did you miss our rice cooker? Just a bit more.
Nice.
Yeah. Very sweet.
I told you. See, because I put, the one I put, citrus mix. Sweet, right? Oh. Darling, you try this. I think it's a bit sweet because I put the citrus mix.
Everybody, it's strange taste. Yeah,
Still okay?
it's okay. I can eat it, but Czech people will not eat it.
I like it.
You like it, Pinkay? Yeah. This is the Filipino taste, Pinkay. sweet. Some people put sugar, but the citrus, it's really sweet.
This is not
Citrus juice.
It's a juice.
It's a juice, but citrus flavor. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what is Hannah's food. That's her Czech food. Dumplings with smoked pork.
I need to finish because otherwise it gets spoiled.
What are you going to put there? Just that one?
It, you can put cabbage,
Cabbage. Yeah, cabbage.
and it's like halushki. I like this one.
Wow. Okay.
You can also have it with cheese. I like it, but this is like Rambo style. You know what's the Rambo style?
Yeah, Rambo style.
Rambo
You
style.
got it from Filipino and the cruise ship, right?
I don't know if it's Filipino.
Yeah, Rambo style.
It's a Rambo style because it's not proper.
Okay, more rice if you want.
Rice.
Okay, I'll buy jasmine rice for you, okay?
This rice is nice.
Yeah, this is healthy rice. It's they call it parboiled rice. If you eat parboiled rice, it's like you're eating brown rice. It's less healthier than brown rice. But if you want to be on diet, then this is good replacement for the white rice,
You're not gonna put
like
cheese?
jasmine.
Cheese, you're not gonna put?
You want cheese?
But you're not gonna put it on there? Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
She must be hungry. What did she have breakfast?
Pouch.
Now it's 12. She has to have another pouch.
We spoiled the hair. The dog's supposed to eat at least 2, no? Ow!
Yeah, you see.
Ow!
And what's that? Our dessert?
Yeah, I have no idea. Mommy wants to make something, and I forgot. She told me.
It's like cake.
No, it's not cake.
Not cake? Excited na ako ah. Ano yung mga merienda namin ngayong alas 3? Alas 3 na ng hapon. Parang lalagyan natin nila na berries. Strawberry. Tapos blackberry na niluluto pa ni Hana oh. Sige, tingnan natin mamaya pag tapos na yung kanilang ginagawa. Wow, nice merienda. Parang dessert ah. Alas 3 na ng hapon eh. And then, while eating, Smallville, manonood si Sofia. Okay, kain tayo. Really good. Tapos strawberry. Yan ang merienda dessert gawa ni Sofia. Dito punong-puno to rito dati. Tapos chinenso ni Milan na. Pinutol pati itong table. Dami na. Yeah. Bayanihan dito. Oh. So nililinis na namin yung pergola. Preparation para sa summer. Alam niyo naman pag summer dito, barbecue na naman. So yan. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Oh. So si Milan yung chinechenso niya yung kahoy. Ako naman yung tagadala doon sa garage. Papakita ko mamaya sa inyo. So, yan. Panggatong yun. Pag magba-barbecue. Ang taba na naman ng Japit Boy. Tumataba ito sa Japit Boy sa Czech Republic. Kung maalala nyo, pagpunta ko rito sa Czech Republic, August yun ng 2024. Ang payat ko nun. So ngayon talagang siguro hiyang si Japit Boy rito. Ito na yung mga pinagputol-putol na kahoy. So si Milan ang yung chainsaw, ako yung tagahakot, si Hannah at si Helen yung nagpa-file dito. Panggatong ito ngayong summer pag barbecue. Yan, nakahanda na, hinanda na yung mesa sa gitna, malinis na yung pergola. Summer na lang ang hinihintay. Ngayon, spring. Medyo malamig pa. Pero at least umaaraw. Pero talagang kailangan mo mag-jacket pag lumabas kasi malamig pa talaga. Minsan nasa 10 degrees, 9 degrees, 8 degrees. So malamig yan. At saka may kasamang hangin. Pero ngayong araw, uminit. Pero kita niyo malamig. Kaya pag lumalabas kami, naka-jacket pa kami. Okay. Ito ngayong summer. Tatamnan na to ni Hannah ng grass. So, para magkaroon na naman ng makapal na damo dito. Yung itatanim na damo, katulad nito. Yan.
I think I will need a shovel.
So, malinis na. Oh, overtime si Madam Hannah.
Yeah. Give me shovel, please.
Okay. So that's it for today, folks, and see you next time again.